How to book your Marrakech hotel room by using mobile app. Welcome, let's move on. How to book your Marrakech hotel room by using mobile app? First, you have to install the Marrakech Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app from Google Play Store by clicking the link below this video here at the description part. The URL link will look like this one. Or you can pause this video and scan the following QR code with your mobile phone QR code scanner to install the Marrakech Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app. Okay, this is the QR code and this is the Marrakech Travel Tour Guide mobile app icon. Okay. Now after you have installed this Marrakech Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app, please follow this coming step-by-step video screenshot to book your Marrakech hotel room fast and easily before you travel to Marrakech for vacation and holidays with your family and friends. Okay, now let's go to the Google Play Store and this is Marrakech Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app at Google Play Store. After you have installed this mobile app, click on the open, tap on the open button here, and then it will redirect you to the Marrakech Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app. Okay. Now then you look at the first row, second column, this icon here, hotel booking. Tap on it to book your hotel. Then it will redirect to the page for you to book your hotel room in Marrakech. Let me enlarge the view for your easy viewing. Okay, you can search your hotels in Marrakech by inputting your check-in date, check-out date, rooms for how many person, and click on search. Or you can browse through this page. Scroll down to the page and look at the popular Marrakech hotels. Okay, on this you got the list of hotels here. It shows the rating score here. Show you the rating score, how many stars. Okay, you can browse through the list. Okay, let me choose a hotel to demonstrate how to book the hotel here. Okay, for example, let me choose a hotel like which one? Okay, let me see. Okay, let's say I want to choose this hotel. ESRD Gardens and Resort Hotel. Let me click on the view deal here. And then you can browse through the page and you can look at the bigger size of the hotel picture here. You can browse through the picture. Okay, show you the hotel room of this hotel in Marrakech, and then you read through the introduction of this hotel. Look at the score, the rating, very good, 8.5 marks, stunning pool, fantastic bar, super dining, and this hotel has been reviewed by 4,785 guests. Then you scroll down, look at the hotel feature of this hotel. Then look at the guest review, average rating, summary. Who stay here? Couples are most popular. Okay. Then you can browse to the lower part of the page and look at the review from the guests. Okay. Let's say I want to book this hotel. I go up, scroll up here, and input the check-in date. Let's select a month. Okay, say March. Let's say 6 to 7. Room for 2 adults. I click here, check availability and prices. Okay, then it will show me the option. Okay. It says that we didn't find any prices for March 6 to March 7 for 2 adults in one room. Okay, let me choose another travel date. For example, 2 to 4. Example, let's click search again. Okay, now I can look at the different hotel booking provider and their prices here. Let's say I want this is the best deal, the lowest price, or I can click on compare 6 more websites provided here. can look at more option here. Okay, scroll down. If I want to look at more, I can click here to show 10 more still, but I don't want. But let me just select the first one. 874 ringgit Malaysia. Best available rate. Deal available only over SMS or Facebook. Okay, but I don't want this because it can't let me to input my booking detail. Let's say I choose this booking.com. Okay, breakfast included. It will redirecting me after 3 seconds to the booking.com hotel booking provider website. Okay, now let's say this is the hotel that I want to book. I just click it. And then it will show me the hotel room scenery, the swimming pool of the hotel. I can browse through the picture. Look at the hotel room here. Okay, reserve 2 nights. This is the hotel booking facility and information about the hotels. Okay, let's say I want to book this hotel. Okay, then I will agree the price, non-refundable 2 nights. Okay, then I click on reserve. Okay, then 2%, and then I click on next step. You are almost done, and then this page will let me input my details: my first name, last name, email address, my contact number. Okay, arrival time. Okay, and write in if I have any special requests. Okay, let me demonstrate. Let's say now I want to fill in the form. Okay, I just input my name, Alex. Alex. Okay, King. Email address will be Alex. Okay, this is my email for demonstration. Okay, email.com. I am the main guest. Okay, from Malaysia, and my phone number for demonstration. And then 2%, 1 queen bed, breakfast, parking, free travel guide at your arrival time, but it's optional. I'll leave it there, and I don't know. Are you traveling? Okay, wait. Hey, sorry. Are you traveling for work? No. Any special requests? I can write it here, type here in English or French. I don't have, leave it blank. Then I click on go to final step. Okay, and then it will show me my you're almost done, Alex. We just need a few more details to confirm your booking. Yeah. Okay, let me see. Look at the price, the tax. Okay, breakfast included, parking free, travel guide free. Okay, this price is converted to show you in MYR currency. Okay, then scroll down. I can choose to pay later or pay now. Let's say I pay later, or pay now. No matter whether I want to pay now or pay later, I still have to input my credit card information here, but there's an option I can pay via through PayPal. If I want to, okay, I can choose pay via PayPal or choose pay via credit or debit card. Okay, let's say I want to pay via credit debit card. Okay, then I have to input my credit card or debit card number here, and the expiration date of my credit card and my cardholder name. Okay, here by default it says get access to member only deal, just like the million other emails. Okay, leave it take, or I can also choose to untake. Once I have to input everything here, the payment method via credit card information, then I just click complete my booking. Okay, so once it has been done, okay, I will receive an email, or you will receive an email, okay, with the hotel booking information. Okay, I can receive the email message about this hotel booking information with the given email just now. Okay, once you have done the the booking step. Yeah, then I just click on done to exit the hotel booking platform here. Okay, now you can explore more on this Marrakesh tour mobile app here. This is tour guide to Marrakesh. You can click on the top places to explore more on this mobile travel tour guide. Okay, where to install this Marrakesh travel tour guide for you to book your hotel. Okay, let me show you. Okay, you can click on the link below this video description, or you can pause this video to scan this QR code with your mobile phone QR code scanner. Okay, so that's all. Okay, remember to click like or thumbs up and share this video to your friends, okay, via social media, and then also tap on the bell, notification bell, to for notification in future. If I posted new video, you will get notified. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.